Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm making another pillowcase. I got my material cut already and turning it inside out, and I'll tilt the camera down where you can actually see it, but I'm sewing around all sides and the bottom half of it. Leave that opening to actually put the pillow in. Once you actually have your material cut, which most material, if I buy a yard of it, that's plenty enough for a pillowcase. But once you actually have your material cut, it only takes less than 5 minutes to actually make the pillowcase. Especially on this Singer sewing machine. Now you see I got all 3 sides of it sewed. I had to fix this. I actually think I ran out of thread on my bobbin. I pop another one in there. Nothing worse than running out of thread on your bobbin. One of these days I plan on sitting down and filling up tons of bobbins. Okay, now that I have it sewed all the way around, all but the opening to put the pillow in, I'm going to fold it over to make like a hem to go around the pillowcase. You will see what I mean in just a minute. Okay. Take the pillowcase, turn it right side out. Give you a look at it. As you can see, this is where I insert the pillow. Turned out really great, and I really never have to buy pillowcases because I normally make my own, and they're so quick and easy and cheap. It's a lot better than going out and paying an expensive price for pillowcases when you can buy any type of material that you want to make it out of. So I got some more material. I'm planning on making some more pillowcases to match our bedroom. But if you'd like to keep up to date on all my videos that I'm putting on, don't forget to hit that bell button and that like and subscribe button. Until next time, take care.